Let's face it, sometimes too much interaction is just chaos. A Power BI lets you take control and remove interactions you don't need. First, understand how these interactions affect your visuals. Then spot the ones that just make things messy. Use the built-in interaction tools to tidy things up, and finally, double-check your results. It's like decluttering, but for your reports. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Has ever felt like your charts are talking to each other behind your back? Well, they are. Visual interactions dictate how data is presented. Power BI offers different interaction types, and luckily you can tweak them to work in your favor. Mastering these interactions ensures your reports tell a clear and compelling story. No more rogue charts making your life difficult. Power BI's default interaction settings are like autopilot, handy but sometimes annoying. By default, cross-highlighting connects visuals, but filters can also be applied. If you're not happy with how things interact, don't panic. You can manually tweak them to fit your needs. Think of it like customizing your coffee order, extra filters, less highlighting. Editing interactions in Power BI is like adjusting your playlist. Get rid of songs or interactions that don't belong. Head over to the Format tab and click Edit Interactions. From there, tweak settings and make sure the changes actually make sense. No one wants a report that behaves unpredictably. Ever wish you could slap a stop sign on a confusing report interaction? Well, good news. Power BI has stop signs to block unwanted interactions. This helps fine-tune your visuals, preventing unnecessary connections. It's like putting a Do Not Disturb sign on your workspace. No more unwelcome interruptions. Filters and highlights. Power BI's way of making sure your data doesn't get lost in the noise. Filters let you refine the view, while highlights emphasize key numbers. Learning to use the symbols correctly can help make your report pop. Think of it as putting highlighter on a textbook. It brings the important stuff into focus. Power BI lets your visuals talk, but are they saying what you want? There are different interaction possibilities, including cross-filtering, cross-highlighting, and drill-through. Each serves a specific purpose. The trick is choosing the right one for your needs, like deciding between an espresso or a cappuccino. Pick wisely. Sometimes, reports just need a little quiet time. Disabling cross-highlighting and filtering removes unnecessary connections, giving you more control over your report's behavior. It's the Power BI equivalent of putting your phone on Do Not Disturb, no distracting interactions. Need complete silence in your report? Turning off all interactions at once is the ultimate cleanup trick. It's especially useful for complex reports where interactions just make things messy. Think of it like muting a group chat. Sometimes less noise is better. Alright, let's talk about saving time and resources. Query reduction settings help cut down the number of queries, making your visuals load faster. Less waiting means more productivity. Nobody wants to stare at a spinning icon forever. So tweak those settings, optimize retrieval, and get smoother interactions. Think of it like trimming the fat off a steak, less bulk, more flavor. Now, when you add a new visual, it doesn't just magically know how to behave. It needs some guidance. Setting up interactions ensures that your filters and highlights work seamlessly. Think of it like training a puppy. Consistency is key. Define the rules early, make sure visuals respond correctly, and your users will thank you. Or at least they won't complain. Alright, no one likes surprises, especially bad ones. Before you share your masterpiece, test those interactions. You wouldn't serve a dish without tasting it first, right? A quick check ensures that filters work, unexpected glitches are fixed, and users get exactly what they need. Remember, a polished Power BI report is like a well-rehearsed performance, no awkward pauses. All right, folks, we're at the finish line. Let's quickly wrap up. First, we looked at some key takeaways. These aren't just words on slides, they're nuggets of wisdom. Then we reinforced why these points matter, because knowledge without action is just trivia. Next, I want you to actually do something with what you've learned today. Small steps lead to big changes. Finally, thank you for being here and engaging. You've been amazing. Now go forth and conquer. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.